Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called Doomsday Banking. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help get the word out. Now, let's get started. There's something very interesting and concerning going on in the banking sector. As we researched it online and elsewhere, we see a disturbing number of bank branches closing down. Sometimes it's temporary and sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's announced and sometimes it isn't. Sometimes they claim it's because of staffing shortages. Sometimes they claim it's because of recent medical events. Much of the time, they won't give you a real or believable answer. If you go on social media, there are many videos of people complaining about this phenomena. Some say it's being done because they believe the banks are trying to reduce the costs or their overhead. Some people claim it's because they believe the banks are trying to limit and reduce people's access to their money. Supposedly, they don't want customers going up to the teller window and withdrawing large amounts of cash on a regular basis. They're trying to force them to go to the ATM machines and limit their daily withdrawals to $500 or $1,000 a day. But for a lot of customers, that's just not enough for them or their business needs. So, as disturbing as this trend continues to be, what can people do about it? Well, one of the things they can do is to do business with multiple banks. If you go and open more bank accounts with more different banks, then you'll be able to spread the risk should they try and further limit your access to your money. Another thing that some people are doing is that they're using some of their cash to purchase hard physical assets like rental property. Their hope is that if inflation continues to rise, then so will the value of their property. And at the very least, if it all goes well, then they can hopefully continue to make money with the rent payments that they'll get in the future. Another problem is that if a bank continues to limit or throttle your access to your money, then people will resent that, and it's possible that the bank may start to lose customers. There are all sorts of theories out there about what's really causing the banks to do this, but what's important is that as a bank customer, you need to come up with solutions and options before this problem gets worse. Don't do anything silly like go out and get a big safe and then let the whole neighborhood see you moving the safe into your house, unloading it from the truck and trying to haul it into your house without breaking your back, or you and your buddy breaking your backs. That's a really bad idea. If you do want to buy a home safe, then don't let anyone see or know that you're doing it. Make sure the safe is covered with a blanket or concealed when it's being brought out of the truck and into the home. Don't tell anybody about this home safe. Make sure the best way to guarantee that you're going to be robbed or burglarized in the near future is to let the whole neighborhood see that you're carrying a massive safe into the house. Make sure the safe is, once you do get the safe, make sure it's bolted to the floor and hidden from view somehow inside the house or the basement or wherever you put it. Letting people know that you've got a safe in the house is a great way to get shot or robbed or killed. Most importantly, don't let any single banking or financial institution hold control over your money. Allocate it amongst several places, and hopefully they will be insured by the FDIC. And remember, during those inflationary times, owning a physical asset can often be safer than owning cash in the bank, which may be eroded by ongoing inflation each year. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on the notification bell every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help get the word out. Thank you, and we shall see you soon. Bye-bye.